Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Bedtime Stories. And as we mentioned before, uh, as a disclaimer, these stories will not help you go to sleep, and there is basically no moral benefit from them. It's just events put together. Our story today is a lizard sentenced to death. We're going to try to find out what's the reason for the death sentence for the lizard, and also another question that we can answer: why does Godzilla blow fire from his mouth? We hope to answer that question today also. But let's go to the source of the story. Where did it come from? It is found in many sources, but this book, Riyadh as-Salihin, 1864, is the reference. And this is what it reads. I mean, it's like from Abu Huraira. Abu Huraira heard Allah Messenger, PPUH, say, "He who kills a lizard at the first blow, such and such number of good deeds will be awarded to him. Whoever kills it at the second blow, such and such number of merits will be recorded for him. And if he kills it at the third blow, he will get such and such merits." So the meaning behind this is a lizard, just the salamander or the gecko. Um, there's a fatwa, there's a death sentence against it, and Muhammad is telling his followers, if you can kill it the first time, let's say for example you get in a reward, in the hereafter of a 100. If you kill it with the second blow, you're not that strong. Let's say you get $75 in the hereafter, and if you a weakling, maybe old woman, and you for the third try, you'll get something maybe about $45 worth of good deeds in the hereafter. In a nutshell, that's the story, and there's a lot of explanations with it. But let's get to the what is the romantic background of the story, and is called Lizzle Dean Kafir. It's called Kafir in many hadith. The lizard is Kafir. So long time ago, there was a tribe of people that worshipped idols, and they were very passionate about their idols. They always cleaned them, painted them, and they just so passionately worshiping them. Among those people, there lived a man called Abe. Oh, this is not the Abe we're looking for. Okay, I apologize. This is not the Abe. This that is in the story. Okay, all right. This is the Abe, and they called him Ibrahim. This is the Ibrahim or Abe that this story is talking about. He was part of this tribe, but he did not like the fact that they are worshiping those idols. So he came up with a story. Uh, it's a long story. I'm not gonna have time to go over that. But basically, he deceived them into leaving that temple where the idols were, and he went in. He went in and destroyed all the idols. Lo and behold, the men of the tribe come back from hunting or from something, muta or something that they went out to do. They come back and they see all their idols broken down. What did they do? They throw Abe or Ibrahim, in a fire. Oh wow. What is going to happen to Ibrahim? Is he going to die? Well, let's look at the story, the rest of the story. So the fire is burning. All of a sudden, from nowhere, left and right, we hear the sirens of the fire trucks rushing towards Abraham. And who is there? We see the gazelles, the bears, the foxes, all kind of animals coming to rescue Abe. The rabbits, The foxes, all kind of animals. They got together. They united to come and save this man called Abe. And they really suffered. I mean, they dealt with smoke inhalation and all kind of problems, but they stuck to it. We gotta save this man, Abraham. I don't know what the connection between them and Ibrahim, but they were working hard. They were working hard. And we can see families coming together. And this is a group of like a family, husband and wife. They volunteered for the fire, for the forest fire services, and they came in to put out the fire. All the animals, foxes, rabbits, all kind of animals coming in. Tigers, lions. There's lions. There were also some humans in the process of saving Abe. The elephants, they started putting water in their trunks and coming and just dropping it on the fire, stomping on the fire. And here is one of the amazing scenes. The rhino uh, is just did not like that situation. He just comes and just stomps on the fire and just continue to do that until whatever side he was on, he put that fire out. There were also some aliens from the outer galaxies, as you see in the fire truck. There's the green suit monsters coming. I don't know if that's the Ijuj and Majuj. I will do more research and get back to you. But the whole community was out to save Abe, not this little creature. The lizard start looking at the fire. It's like, okay, and his mind, I don't know what was going through his mind, and he was just looking up. He ate few ants and few insects and came close to the fire. What did he do? The lizard started blowing air on the fire to ignite it more and more and more, so that whatever efforts that was done by the humans, the animals, and monsters, Yajuj and Majuj, they all trying to put the fire out. Lizard was trying to ignite the fire more. For what reason? I don't know. You can see the after effects of blowing fire, air on a fire. After that, the lizard got on his bike and is scattered away. We can see now where Godzilla got his fire breathing from. It was from his great 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 grandparent taught him how to do that. What an evil thing to do. But a decree came from Allah to Muhammad PBUH, instructing him to tell the Abduls, the Mu'mineen, kill the lizard. Wherever you see a lizard, kill this creature. And the best thing to do is kill it from the first blow. But if you kill it from the third blow, you will get something. And it's connected to getting into Jannah at the end. Like I told you, story is not going to help you go to sleep. No purpose to it, but it is there. We have to read it. Good night and good luck going to sleep. And we'll see you next time with another adult bedtime story.